Hello dear students, today I am going to explain how to fill electron in molecular orbital diagram. And as we already know, the molecular orbital theory is for the diatomic molecule like C2, N2, F2 and O2. So in the molecular orbital diagram, two cases arises. The first case is for more than 14 electron and the second case for less than 14 electrons. Carbon has 6 atomic number and for C2, 2 carbons has 6 plus 6, that is 12 electrons. Hence, we can fill electrons in this diagram, which is for the 14 less than 14 electrons. How to fill? The 6 carbon is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. This is the electronic configuration of carbon. Here is a 1 carbon and here is the second carbon. So how many electrons in a 1s? 2 electrons, that is 1 and 2. 2s has already 2 electrons, 1, 2, and 2p is also 2 electrons, that is 1 and 2. Similarly, the second carbon has the electron 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. The filled electrons is 1s2, 2s2 electrons and 2p is according to electrons can be filled in according to Hund's, Pauli and Abau principle. So here we can see the 1s2 and 2s2, overall 4 electrons. So this is a bonding 1s orbital. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की आप फिलिंग करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे? 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं 1, 2 पेयरिंग कराएंगे, लोअर एनर्जी देन हायर एनर्जी, बिकॉज ये इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एनर्जी है. ठीक, फिर ऐसे इधर कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं 2 + 2 दैट इज़ 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. नाउ 1s 2 electrons here and 2s electrons here, overall 4 electrons. So we can fill in the pi bonding 2px 1 electron and 2py into second electron pair up 3 and 4. Yes, this is a type of filling electrons in the molecular orbital diagram for less than 14 electrons, and for more than 14 electrons like O2, O2, that is O has atomic number 8, then 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4, राइट. तो इधर भी एक ऑक्सीजन है, राइट साइड भी एक ऑक्सीजन. अब 1s में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है फिल कर देंगे 1, 2. 2s में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 and 2. 2p में 4, 1, 2, 3, then pairing. How? 1, 2, 3 and pairing 4. Similarly, second oxygen में 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we can see 1s2 and 2s2, that is 4 electrons. So fill here. Firstly we fill electrons in the bonding orbitals. After that antibonding is represented by the star. This star represents the antibonding. Similarly 2 electrons here and 2 electrons in antibonding. Secondly 4 + 4 8 electrons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now antibonding 7 and 8. This is the concept of filling of electron in the molecular orbital diagram for more than 14 electron and less than 14 electron. Thank you class.